Guess the Jamaican term. Who am I here with today?
Eden,
Eden, like the Garden of Eden.
like the garden, yeah.
What country are you from, Eden?
Half South African, half English.
South African. What's like a cultural thing you guys do down there?
Fry.
Rye. What's that?
It's like a barbecue, but better.
When you think of Jamaica, what's the first thing you think about?
The food.
Food. Have you had Jamaican food?
Yes.
What have you had?
I've had lots of jerk. That's Jamaican, isn't it? I had a stew of some kind, but I can't remember what.
So here's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna give you two Jamaican terms, and I want you to guess what they are
Okay.
in English. All right? Dirty gal.
So it's a woman.
No.
Oh?
It also means that, but I'm not thinking that one. It's a food.
Is it like a sandwich? Like with meat and everything in?
It's a type of meat, and it comes from the ocean. So, dirty gal.
Squid? Octopus? Dirty gal and white rice.
Yeah. Oh you do. Oh you do.
Is that like shortened version of are you though?
It's like about more about feelings.
You use it in a sentence.
All right. Well, go and eat in long time in the sea. Oh you do.
How am I? Winning.